Are you tired of struggling with small pots when cooking for a crowd? Whether you're preparing a hearty soup for the family, canning your favorite foods, or catering for large gatherings, this Bakken 20-quart stainless steel stockpot is a must-have kitchen tool. Designed for versatility, this heavy-duty stockpot is ideal for both home cooking and catering needs. With its premium quality materials and thoughtful design, it's built to handle the demands of busy kitchens. Why you need the Bakken 20-quart stainless steel stockpot? If you enjoy cooking large portions or entertaining at home, you know how difficult it can be to find a pot that meets all your needs. The Bakken 20-quart stockpot is designed to solve that problem. Here's why it stands out. Number 1. Generous 20-quart capacity. With a 20-quart capacity, the Bakken stockpot is big enough to handle just about anything. From soup and stock to seafood, pasta, and stews, this pot can cook up large batches with ease. Need to boil multiple ears of corn or prepare enough chili for a crowd? The 20-quart size will do it without breaking a sweat. Great for catering. Prepare meals for larger groups or events. Perfect for home cooking. No more cooking in multiple batches. This pot makes it easy to cook for your entire family or guests. Ideal for canning. The large capacity is perfect for canning fruits, vegetables, or homemade sauces in bulk. Number 2. Premium quality stainless steel construction. When you're investing in cookware, you want something that will last. The Bakken 20-quart stockpot features 18-8 non-reactive stainless steel that's durable, non-toxic, and free from harmful chemicals. This material ensures that your food doesn't react with the pot, which can alter the taste or nutritional value of your dishes. It's also resistant to stains, rust, and tarnish, making it an excellent long-term investment. Heavy-duty construction, built to withstand heavy use in both home kitchens and catering settings. Number 3. Induction compatible for all stovetops. The Bakken stockpot is compatible with all stovetops, including induction cooktops, making it a versatile option for every kitchen. Whether you have a gas, ceramic, or electric stovetop, this pot will deliver consistent heat and reliable cooking performance. Number 4. Ergonomic riveted handles for safe and easy handling. Cooking in large quantities can be challenging, especially when it comes to moving heavy pots. The Bakken 20-quart stockpot features ergonomically designed, riveted handles that offer a secure, comfortable grip. Even when the pot is full, you'll be able to lift it with ease and safety. Number 5. Versatile for a wide range of dishes. Whether you're making a big pot of chicken soup, vegetable stew, or lobster boil, the Bakken 20-quart stockpot can handle it. The wide, cylindrical design is perfect for preparing a variety of dishes. Some ideas include soups and stews, ideal for simmering large portions of your favorite soups and stews. Pasta, boil enough pasta for a large group in one go. Seafood, perfect for preparing shrimp, crab, or lobster boils. Canning, use this pot to easily process jars of fruits, vegetables, and preserves for long-term storage. Number 6. Impact bonded base for even heat distribution. One of the most important aspects of any cooking pot is its ability to distribute heat evenly. The Bakken 20-quart stockpot features an impact-bonded base that ensures optimal heat distribution, preventing hot spots, and ensuring your meals are cooked evenly. Whether you're making broth, sauces, or stews, you'll enjoy perfect cooking results every time. Number 7. Easy to clean. Nobody likes to spend time scrubbing pots and pans after a long cooking session. The Bakken 20-quart stockpot features a sleek, simple design that makes it easy to clean. After use, simply wash it by hand with a non-abrasive cloth to keep the pot gleaming and in great shape. The smooth surface and polished finish ensure that food doesn't stick to the surface, making cleanup quick and easy. Final thoughts. Why you should buy the Bakken 20-quart stockpot. The Bakken 20-quart stockpot is the perfect addition to any kitchen that frequently cooks in large quantities. Whether you're preparing a meal for a crowd or canning your favorite fruits and vegetables, this heavy-duty stockpot offers exceptional quality, durability, and performance. With its premium stainless steel construction, impact-bonded base, and ergonomic riveted handles, it's designed to meet the demands of both home cooks and professional chefs alike. This Bakken 20-quart stainless steel stockpot is a versatile, heavy-duty kitchen tool that promises to make cooking large meals a breeze. From soups and stews to canning and catering, it's a must-have for anyone who enjoys cooking for big groups. Don't wait. Order yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.